What's up, everyone? Justin here for another video. Right now I'm about to go to Merchants. Well, they don't even call it Merchants down here. It's called like NTB or something. But it's in the same spot as Merchants. So right now I'm about to go to Merchants to go take the EG hatch to go get the alignment checked. And I'm not actually getting it aligned because, well, one, I don't have any money, and two, I still need tie rods, inner and outer, which I still have, but I have not put them on yet. So yeah, there's that. So I'm about to go up there right now to go get my alignment checked, just for shits and giggles. I mean, it's free, so why not see how bad it is. Hopefully they can get it on there. I mean, my car is not low at all. My car is not that low, so it should be okay. Hopefully they don't come with any shit. So let's get to it. Listen to a purr. Alrighty, let's get it. If you saw the last video that I put up of me changing that hose, so I drove it around, everything went well, it didn't overheat. But if you notice in that video, it felt, well, it wasn't raining, and well, now it's raining. Of course, because this weather is fucking stupid. Well, that was literally a waste of time because they talk about we don't do lowered vehicles. But they told me to call some other place. It's like way out of the way and I don't feel like going there, so yeah, I'll just find something else to do.
2,000 years later.
It's been about 3 hours since the last thing I filmed. As you can see, it's not raining anymore. Right now I'm about to go to the barber shop, not for me. I'm about to go up there and meet with Riddell, and then we're probably going to go back to his house and go compression test the SCR that I showed a couple videos back. But I don't know if I'm going to go out there because the front two tires are bald, as always. So I don't want to drive to Prince George on those back roads because they're so nice and skirt all my tires off. So yeah, we might just go to Addison, because I need to jack this car up, and the only jack I have is a scissor jack. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have his jack on him. He has like a big ass 3-ton jack, so I'm pretty sure he doesn't have that on him. So I need to jack this damn car up because this axle is like making the nastiest noise ever. I don't even know if it's an axle. It might be like the dust shield or something. I don't know what it is, but whatever the fuck it is really annoying me, and it sounds, it's just so embarrassing. So I need to jack it up and look at it. So let's get this party on the road. Fuel pump prime. Starts right up. Yeah, buddy. I need to fix my shift boot. I really do. Cause it's just dangling. I just haven't felt like doing it. Yeah, we're here. He's getting a haircut. Right now, I'm parked next to his car. Wish I can roll both of my windows down. So yeah, we're about to go to his mother's house to go and figure out what the hell is wrong with this SCR. Well, not really figure out what's wrong with it, but do something to it. Then I can go over there and use his jack and look at my fucking car, and figure out what the fuck that noise is, because it's fucking annoying as shit. It's been making that noise. It actually started like 2 weeks ago, but it was making it like quiet. It wasn't as loud, and then it just got louder and louder, and now it's doing what it's doing now, and it's like on and off. So hopefully I can get to the bottom of that shit today. I don't know, I just got tired out of nowhere. I'm like sleepy as shit. Well, here I am on the side of the road because the shit just started like shaking hard as shit after I went around the corner too hard. So let's see. He kept going straight because he couldn't stop. Wonder what it could be. Maybe that has something to do with it. Wow. Both sides are fucking bald. It's crazy because I literally just got these fucking tires like 2 weeks ago. I'm really tired of buying fucking tires. I need to hurry up and get an alignment. Like ASAP. I really need to get an alignment. Bad. Alright, should be okay. Let me see if it still does it. No, it's not doing it. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep driving. But that was really fucking weird. I don't know what the fuck it could have been. But... So can you explain what you're about to do?
Open this shit. About to hear
Riddell's Chop Shop, where you can hit the side of a horn. I mean, a wheel and then fucking blow the horn. So the intention of coming over here was to do a compression test on this shit and not worry about that car because I just fixed it yesterday, but I guess I gotta work on both. Still ain't open that shit.
You can grab it.
You're gonna cut your down here. And they make sure people don't steal those shit. At least it's not raining like it was earlier. It's a little cold. The sun is bright as shit. Right, we got it in there. Hopefully it doesn't come shooting out of this bitch. And hopefully it gives us some numbers. And you said it's supposed to be what?
140 at the lowest.
140 at the lowest. It's probably gonna be like right there. Yeah. So hopefully this shit tells us something. I want to use it in my car and see what my compression is. My shit is probably gonna be all over the place. Probably gonna be like 50 and 1, 140 and 2, 50 and 3. Oh, pretty low. 120, like 121. That's when it stopped. That's the max it went. Well, 121 on the first crank. Oh. All right. Stop. That one was lower. That shit was at 90.
I think that's something to do with the battery.
Yeah, it did sound like it was like ticking or
dying,
some
like
shit. Well, this terminal loose. Yeah, it might be the terminal just loose. Well, we're about to do mine now, because mine said, you said 202? Well, mine is supposed to be 202. And they, like he said, it can't be more than 14 PSI apart, but I'm kind of scared. I think my shit's going to be like 150. Maybe that's why my car feels so fucking sluggish. I think my shit going to be like 150 and all of them, if that. Might be lower than that. You want to use it on every one fucking car? Maybe the low compression will be the reason why this shit is making no suck.
And I want to set mine too, but I feel like I'm gonna fuck something up for a second. Alright, you crank it.
You crank the first one. Alrighty. Here we go. Kinda scared. Turn it off. Well, I can tell you that's nowhere near 200. 89. Yeah, like maybe I should unplug the rest of them.
Yeah, unplug the rest of the front.
Let me see what that do. Don't judge us, guys. We've never did this shit before. Y'all don't be like, this is fucking stupid. We've never used this shit before. All right, go ahead. Hopefully this shit don't spark or nothing. Oh, wait. All right, go ahead. Stop. Oh, it was actually going higher than that. 180. Oh, higher than what I thought. All right. I'm gonna redo that one. Well, compression was not even all the way through, but they weren't off by, he said they were only supposed to be off by as much as 12. These two were 170 and the outsides were 180. So, pretty good, I guess. Still nowhere near 202, what it's supposed to be, so. What? Now look at this shit. All this fucking shit in here. Why the back seat out?
Yeah, I think you gotta get the fuel pump and put it back.
Oh, you gonna take it back?
Huh?
You took the fuel pump back?
Nah, to put the new one in. I never put it.
Oh, you never put it in? Oh.
I started throwing shit in there.
So it's in now. That shit still ain't weird. Right now I'm about to jack the front up to see what the hell this noise is. I'm 100% certain it's the tie rod. I don't think it's the axle, but hopefully it's just the fucking tie rod, because I'd rather change the tie rod out than the axle. Matter of fact, no, I'd rather change the axle out because I don't have to worry about doing any alignment or anything. So he went in the house to go get the jack while I sit out here looking stupid. So we discovered that that shit is fucking bad. So I'm gonna have to change this shit, but it's too cold and I don't have the right shit. So gotta get done another day because I don't have time for it. And I need some brakes because this shit, bro, feel this shit. This shit is fucking.
I like my front. Yeah, that's exactly how my front is.
This shit feel like shit.
It don't bite as hard. When I first got
my brakes feel like ass. My pads still good. These ceramic pads was worth the extra money. But yeah, I need another rotor. I ain't even gonna buy another rotor. I'm gonna just get integral brakes. All right, put the wheel back on. So I'm just gonna change that probably tomorrow. Hopefully it's not that cold. And then the next day, I don't know what I plan for that day, but yeah, just guess I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. I have the shit in that box, but I'm just gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just kind of a random video. I didn't really have anything special to do. If you did, drop a like and subscribe, because I'm almost hit 500 subscribers. So if I can get there, that'd be really cool. You got any last words?
SCR for sale, $500 of best offer.
Link in description.
Virginia pickup. You gotta come get it because the bitch don't turn on. Y'all know it don't turn on.
Yeah, exactly. If you check out the last video, you'll know that.
The wheels are already sold.
Oh, they can't see it.
Yeah, help me fund my RB bill.
Face ass.
No,
yeah, it's gonna be a GoFundMe link down below for the both of us. But I'll see ya tomorrow if I decide to make a video. Peace out and keep moving forward. Sorry.